Hey, it's Charlie at Simple Machines, and today I'm going to walk through how to use HubSpot's research by your intent feature for warmer sales prospecting. If you're not already familiar with the buyer intent feature, this is the tool that lets you set up your intent funnel, so your total addressable market, those companies in your TAM that are showing intent, which you can set intent criteria for, and then total companies that are captured in your CRM. So if you've filled out a form or have been added already. Today, we're going to dig into the research feature of this. And the idea of the research feature is that you're not only able to see who's in your target market and who's showing intent, but who's actually just researching for your products and services. So to set this up, first step is to go into configuration. If you haven't already, you'll need to set up your target markets as part of what we're going to show you today. So this is where you are creating one or multiple markets that you want to target. So in our demo portal, we've just got US accounting firms as our target, and you'll want to add as much information, firmographics, et cetera, to flesh this out as possible. So keywords, employer ranges, size, location, et cetera. Once you've got your target market set up, you can add intent criteria, so specific web visits that signal intent of those companies. And then here's the newer feature, research intent topics. So this is where you're going to set up the specific keyword searches that signal interest in your products or services. So in our demo example, let's say we're interested in not only accounting firms, but accounting firms that are researching corporate law and corporate lawyers. So we've set up some searches for that. You'll see when you put this in, it's actually going to tell you how many companies overall are looking for those topics. Once those are set up, you will be able to see in the research tab companies that are searching for the terms that you've put into your research tool. The next step that we're really recommending and encouraging clients to do is to configure saved views so that you can see not only who's searching this, but who in your target market is searching for this. So here we've got a saved view for accounting firms researching corporate lawyers. And if you've got a paid subscription to HubSpot, this is just the demo portal. As of June, you actually have HubSpot credits that will help you unlock more of these companies to see them. But once you've got this in, there's several things you can do. First of all, in this view, this is a good one to bookmark. You can drill into the specific companies to see what topics they're searching for, what research level those are at, a little bit about the company, and then you can actually add them to your CRM, enroll them in workflows, add them to lists as you need to. Another great thing to do, again, we're in the demo portal, but you can set up email digests. So every week or month, you can send lists to your sales team. You can segment that by different segments of your market to go to different sales reps. And you can actually auto add those companies into your CRM as they come in. So a really good tool to go from a colder approach to prospecting to warmer, where you're actually going after companies that are in your market and searching for your solutions.